YouTube, we are back with another video, and today we are doing a birthday dinner. Today is my birthday.
Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you, babe. And babe and the kids made the special dinner for me. It's Brussels sprouts, steak, potatoes, macaroni and cheese, and a baked potato. So
How you doing? What?
we gonna get to eating because we're starving. Oh, this is a baked potato. I kind of broke mine up and added butter to it already. But yeah.
Don't judge my Brussels sprouts. I ain't
They're
made anything
roasted.
before.
They roasted Brussels sprouts. So
Yeah, I mean, I've been Brussels sprouts before.
you want some cheese, babe? Nope. Nope. It's not on my shirt.
A lot of work went into making this thing. This Brussels sprouts good too. Look, listen. We took all this food. Like, we ain't take it. I ain't taste it. I ain't taste none of it. So I was just opening wishing.
So how was everybody's day? Mine was good. I had a nice peaceful birthday.
Yeah, buddy. Mine was good too. I got to, you know what I'm saying, put some spiffy together for regular spiffy. I did not know these things was going to turn out like this.
What, the Brussels sprouts?
I have never made these before. Ever. You know, that's what you make the Brussels.
Yeah, just roast them. It's pretty easy. Olive oil and salt. And garlic powder. Or whatever you want to put on it.
Can't tell you my seasoning I put on there.
You can't tell me?
Baby.
Ancient Chinese secret.
Ancient ancestor secret. These potatoes, like,
It's really good.
Listen, I didn't think these potatoes were gonna come out here. I let the kids season this stuff.
Just piece of.
Yeah, he did that.
It was so thoughtful. I love my thoughtful stuff. The kids made me a card.
Oh snap! I ain't sure the card I got you. I made you got you a card too.
I didn't see a card.
Nope.
You wanna go get it?
Yep.
That water gonna fall.
I'm back. No. Look at the kids' cards.
Oh, babe.
Open that thing up there. See what the picture is on the card. Look like I
Look, y'all.
Oh snap.
Oh, it's your day. That pickle look good. Oh, I'm wonderful. Oh,
That was corny as a mud.
your birthday. Okay, it say you're wonderful. Your birthday is a big deal. You deserve the highest condiments because there is just no sub for you. Have all the fun you can. Mustard. That is so cute, babe. Thank you. Okay.
I had some.
What's that? Potato? Sorry. No.
Dirty. But,
This was so thoughtful.
baby, of course this food.
He always put a lot of thought into my birthday. Or any holiday. Or when he felt like it.
So we went and did a vlog, everyone.
Oh yeah.
We vlogged for our first vlog.
It was a surprise birthday outing. Man, that was nice.
Y'all set that out. Y'all gonna see that. Real soon. Real soon.
So, just so you know, today is January 21st. So, my birthday is January 21st. And we did the vlog yesterday, right?
Yeah. What yesterday? Yesterday.
Day before yesterday.
Saturday.
January 19th. Right. So.
Hey. You know me the one with food. With the food gone. My food gone.
This is good.
It is. I put the shrooms on there. You know, can have a steak without the shrooms.
It's really good.
I don't really like shrooms, but you know, if they don't like steak, it's good. The oldest child of ours made us pick these pink cups and put them on the table for the video. So you got to use, bless you. So you got to use the pink cups.
I think I'm getting a cold.
This is for you. Pink cup. Son baked the cake.
Oh yeah, birthday cake.
Yep.
Homemade birthday cake.
Let me tell you how he did the steak. I give him the garlic pepper to put on the steak. He don't make it to the third steak.
And all of the pot is out.
No, like I had to tell him stop. Cause he like, I don't know, unless he tried to shimmy it.
He was trying.
He shimmied it. It was a big shimmy. A whole lot came out of there. I mean, like, a lot. I said, oh, stop. You don't need no more. No more. No more.
These mushrooms are good.
No.
All of this is really good.
Let him bake it. Let him, what's the name, the cake. I give him the little handheld mixer. What's it called again? Handheld mixer.
Blender? I mean, yeah, the hand mixer.
Yep, hand mixer, right? This guy.
What did he do?
This guy here. I tell him, I said, listen, just hold it down. Don't pull it out the bowl. Man, velvet mix everywhere. Mind you, everybody got on white t-shirts.
My 2-year-old ran upstairs. She said, "Mommy, close your eyes for you birthday party." I said, "My birthday party? Yeah. You birthday party downstairs in the living room."
Man, she put her hand in the cake mix. As we put it in the pot, as we put it in the pan, hit the cake mix like this. Let me see. Long line right in there. I said, no. It good. It good. Boy, oh boy.
This is good.
Boy. We made the baked potatoes together. Everybody chipped in. I even let Dookie.
Dookie is the 2-year-old.
Right. That's my nickname. That's a nickname. What I call it anyway. Nobody else call it.
Yeah. He's the only person called her Dookie.
She added seasoning in here too. She added the mushrooms, by the way. Yep. Sprinkle.
Yeah, Mom, just enough mushrooms.
She added the mushrooms. She rinsed the potatoes off. Yep, she rinsed the potatoes off. All of them. Every one we used, she rinsed them off. She dumped the water in in a bowl to make the cake. My baby really helpful. Yeah, real helpful. You say, I want help. All right. Got everyone involved.
Yep. While I lay down.
No bickering, cause I ain't for it. Homie don't play that.
Homie don't play. This is good.
No. The food was so good. The kids said, dang, it's good. He did a good job. Yeah, they got better. The year before last, it was a problem.
Smoke alarm went off a few times.
Smoke alarm, man, listen.
Oh.
The
You did get a lot better, babe.
the seasoning was way off. I mean, like, it was way off. Like, I got the seasoning I put in there to make everything spicy. They put too much spice.
Oh yeah.
Like, it was like the stick ain't supposed to be there. Alright. See this right here? I put the spice in there this time. Just add a little. Steak need a little kick every now and then, you know what I'm saying? You feel me?
That's a lot of steak sauce. Let me have some.
You can handle that. I use it for my potato.
Oh.
Back up off me now.
Oh, hand it to me.
These red potatoes too, by the way.
Delicious.
No. Them bad potatoes.
And he got me flowers per usual. He always buy me flowers. But
Oh yeah. Twice a week, 3 times a week. You know.
because he know I love flowers.
Just
Love.
out the blue. Baby.
This is good.
This is marvelous. Woohoo.
Let me get this steak sauce.
Get some.
Put my little teeny piece of steak. I want to put on my potato too.
What?
I did.
You a copycat. I did first.
We're going to look back next time and watch me slurp my little potato out with the steak sauce. We're going to look back on him.
Believe that or believe that not.
All right. Go back. I took my potato, I did like this.
And then you say, look, this potato is so serious. Like, I just scooped it. The skin, like, come right off. Look. Yeah, that's a little bit too much. You know?
He said, what is going on over there? So, you know, when your birthday comes, you always get a chance to reflect on, you know, how you got so far in your life. And, I'm just grateful I made 29.
She done gave us another year.
Right.
We're grateful too. So grateful.
All the experiences and
The ups and downs.
yep.
This potato was so big, like,
Yeah,
know,
that potato is huge.
there's still a big side of that now. Look at that. Look. I think that's one of them GMO things.
I just did the most with
With
that. I
that
was just
potato.
trying to get my butter out of my foil.
Like, look at the skin. Look at the skin. Look at the skin. Flatten in the wind. Look at that.
Right. But you been in the old world sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes I do though. Sometimes that's the best place to be.
It is.
Leave me alone. I don't know what you talking about.
Hey, that was delicious.
I know.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's what you do in a relationship. Do things that you know make your partner happy. Because he could have just not did anything for me. Or not love our children the way he did, you know? Because we're a blended family.
Blended.
Love my children. Probably more than he loved me. I know the 2-year-old and the big ones. And the baby. All your favorites.
I don't like the baby that much. It's like, no.
That's the one that looked like you the most.
No, it's bad, ain't it? They say you
Spitting
don't like.
image.
They say you don't like the ones that look like you. Too much of the attitude.
But
Nah, I'm just playing. I love my children. Bad and all, nuisance and everything. Even down to the crazy questions that they ask. Cause who knows who they be talking to, and then come ask me.
Yeah, you have children, you know they're gonna ask.
They say kids say the darndest things. No, kids say the craziest things. Y'all know what I'm saying. You be like,
why is it universe and universe? Like,
what?
Right.
I just felt dumb just now.
What part of the chicken is the chicken nugget?
What?
What comes first, the chicken or the egg?
Man, listen. Maybe get some more sauce.
I've had questions where I told the kids, like, go ask my mom. Because I just didn't, like, know what to say.
Yeah.
Send them to grandma. She'll come up with a nice, good word for it. She'll tell them something out the Bible.
Send them to me. I got something for them. Who told you that? And stop listening to them. They be like, I told myself that myself. I said, well, stop listening to yourself.
It's always myself.
Myself told me that.
Where'd you get that from? Myself. Right.
Don't you use this for you, what?
Listen, kids' imaginations are amazing.
Wow.
You know, especially if you keep them off electronics, they'll go wild.
Crazy things happens. I believe the world was a little bit better without certain electronics.
Yeah.
You know, well, not having electronics at an early age, I should say. You know,
Right.
cell phones for safety purposes only at a young age, cool. Not for that internet and all that stuff. Too many predators out there.
Right. Keep those babies close.
Right. Protect your kids, people.
Watch
Protect
over
your
them.
kids.
Yes, protect them. Make sure they're safe at all times. They're not going with strangers.
Locations.
You know where they are. I have a hard time taking my kids to school.
I don't like them out my sight.
I just look some of that stuff off my plate. But yeah, I don't even like dropping my babies off at school, honestly. But you know, it's necessary at this moment.
Fundamental.
So I came with a fresh face, almost a fresh face. I did my eyebrows, but not like I don't have a whole full beat like how I usually do.
You don't need it anyway.
What y'all think? He always say that. You don't need makeup. You don't need makeup.
What you put it on for?
You don't need makeup. You don't need no fake hair. Nothing.
As you are, I take you as thy are. Yeah, you said thy. The are. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. You are.
I was about to go back to Shakespeare. Like, is that how Shakespeare said it? No, I'm just kidding. But
I got that from the Bible.
what the?
But
Thy.
the one of them things, all of them in the Bible, I think.
Mm-hmm.
My mama gonna watch this. Like, you don't know what's in the Bible? I'm gonna say,
But get in trouble.
sorry, ma.
I'll call you for a Bible study. I'm gonna tell my mama tomorrow.
Don't tell your mama nothing.
I'm gonna tell my mama tomorrow.
Tell your mama nothing. I ain't gonna answer my phone.
I thought you were going over there now.
Oh, she think I'm coming over there. I ain't going.
They gonna get Bible study tomorrow. Ain't nothing wrong with a little Bible study from time to time.
Ain't nothing wrong with a little preach.
Yeah, a little word.
Little word, you know. To each his own. Sometimes I just want to be left alone.
But if you're watching this, I appreciate you having birthday dinner with me. I appreciate your support watching the video. And as I always say,
Like,
comment, subscribe, and share with everybody that you know. He always has a sound, an ending sound like bop, 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 brrr, choo, 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 doo, doo, doo.
that's mine right
Those
there.
are all
It's
your
like Jeopardy or something.
Those are all your sounds. But blow the candles out. Blow the candles. Hey, these trick candles.
It's like we really blowing. Look.
Peace.
Deuces, YouTube.